Business. Advance Auto Parts is an automotive aftermarket parts provider, serving professional installers and do-it-yourself customers. Its stores and branches offer a selection of brand names, original equipment manufacturers and brand-owned automotive replacement parts, accessories, batteries and maintenance items for a range of vehicles. It operates roughly 4,770 stores and 316 branches within the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Stock market value: $4.19 billion, $70.50 per share. Percentage ownership: 8.04%. Economic exposure. Activist commentary. Third Point is a multi-strategy hedge fund founded by Dan Loeb, that will selectively take activist positions. Loeb is one of the true pioneers in the field of shareholder activism and one of a handful of activists who shaped what has become modern-day shareholder activism. He invented the poison pen letter in a time when a poison pen was often necessary. As times have changed, he has transitioned from the poison pen to the power of the argument. Third Point has amicably gotten board representation at companies like Baxter and Disney, but the firm also will not hesitate to launch a proxy fight if it is being ignored. Third Point has formed a group in this investment with Saddle Point. This group has a collective economic ownership to 4,781,557 shares, 8.04%, of AAP stock, which is a combination of common stock and derivatives, a vast majority of which is owned by Third Point. Saddle Point is an investment firm run by Roy Katsovitz, the former chief legal officer of Pershing Square Capital Management. On March 11, Third Point and Saddle Point entered into an agreement with Advance Auto Parts, pursuant to which the following three directors were appointed to the board of directors: I. Tom Seabolt, President of Seabolt Consulting Services and a former executive at O'Reilly Automotive; E. Gregory Smith, EVP, Global Operation and Supply Chain of Medtronic and former EVP, Supply Chain of Walmart; and E. Brent Wyndham, former President and CEO of Uni-Select. Third Point and Saddle Point are not the first activists in this stock. Starboard Value had an activist campaign at Advance Auto Parts from September 2015 through May 2020 and exited their investment in the first quarter of 2021 when the stock was trading at approximately $185 per share. In late 2021, the stock peaked around $240 a share, but fell over time to about $120 a share by May 2023. After reporting a significant Q1 of 2023 earnings miss of 72 cents per share, 68% lower than the same quarter in 2022, compared to a consensus estimate of $2.57 per share, the stock price plummeted to $72.89 on May 31, 2023. This is when it really got interesting as an entry point for investors who have been watching the stock. Advance Auto Parts effectively has two businesses: its core retail auto parts business and Worldpac, the company's wholesale auto parts distribution business.